This is what is going on right now.
Yeah, snowing.
It's snowing.
Yeah.
Yes, I hope it sticks because it never sticks here in Virginia.
Wow, it's sticking on the tree.
It is?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm joking. It's not gonna.
Oh, it's not. She said, I'm joking. It's not getting on the trees. It's really not. It looks so beautiful out here.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you
probably not the only one, but this Christmas break has literally made my body feel so drained. We wake up a little later than usual, and we did that today too because yesterday snowed and there was no school. So yeah, we woke up late today, and I just need to tidy up because honestly, like, there's a mess. All right, so I am about to mop the floors. Talia's over here making noise. What you want? Okay, you have to play with this at your table though. Play-Doh. Let me get her situated and then I'm gonna come back to talk to y'all. Alrighty, I'm back. So I have to mop the floor. I just have to tidy up the kitchen because my table is looking like a crazy mess. Kalia was playing with Play-Doh here and it was on top of this, like, you know, little thing that I got from Dollar Tree. And I just like pushed it to the side. So I'm gonna throw that out. There's a box. You guys, let me just show you my kitchen. So yeah, this is how it's currently looking. The floor has Play-Doh down there. So I gotta clean that. And then, yeah, there's not like too much. All I gotta do is like mop and stuff and just tidy up the counter. And I wanna move my table again. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. But this is the before. guys, I have not done a cleaning video in forever, but I'm back and I am going to be taking out some of the Christmas stuff from my kitchen, so that's what I'm doing right now. And if you guys enjoy this video, please give your girl a like, a thumbs up. It'll definitely help on my channel.
Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night.
So now I'm just gonna clean this little ledge right here. I have some Christmas stuff and I'm just gonna put them away in that cabinet behind me that's open. Since I never opened that cabinet, I'll put the Christmas stuff in there, so that's where they're gonna go for now.
Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love.
And now I'm just gonna move my table, y'all. I work from home, so I get annoyed seeing my furniture like in the same place all the time, so I'm like constantly moving it. For those of you who don't watch my channel, I just wanted to let you guys know that. And I know for those of you who are OGs, yeah, know I stay rearranging my furniture. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna clean up the table and all of that good stuff too.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
And now it's time to clean the counters, and shout out to King Sis. I get her music from epidemicsounds.com. Her music is freaking awesome. I love her playlist. Go check her out. Let's continue this video.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving enough for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
So this is a little trick that my mom actually showed me, and I don't know why the heck I didn't do that when I first moved into this new apartment, because my little oven thingy-majigger, like the little stove thing-majigger, whatever it's called, this right here is like messed up. It's like all black because I'm always cooking, obviously. And so she showed me to put aluminum foil on top of it. That way, you know, you can always replace it and you don't have to always buy like different covers or whatever these things are called. So yeah, I do need to replace them though. I need to go to Walmart and get some new ones and then put the aluminum foil on the new ones as well. But for now, it's just gonna go on the old ones.
Of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. I know I just met you, boy, but you got that something that just rocks my world. I can't help but feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till
my favorite part, the before and the after.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me?
Alright you guys, so I just finished cleaning my kitchen. Now I'm gonna head to Walmart because I have to pick up some boxes for the giveaway prizes because I need to go sometime this week to send them out, hopefully. Definitely gonna get the boxes today if they have in Walmart. So Kalia's coming with me. Look at her. She's funny. Anyways, come with me. You guys, it went from being 70 degrees on New Year's Day to being 35 degrees today, and today is the 4th. Kalia's over there playing with a Christmas toy. That's ridiculous, you guys. I have my big jacket in the back, so I'm gonna take that out because this is not really cutting it right now. But yeah, 35 freaking degrees right now, bro. Like, what in the world? This weather is crazy. My baby girl came with me to the store. Come on, this side, this side. Candy, yeah. That is candy. We're at Walmart, about to get some things, right?
Yeah.
Guess what I'm gonna get, Mama? Some salads.
No.
Excuse me, Mama. Move your leg.
I want corn.
Corn.
Yeah.
We found the boxes. Look at all that we have here, you guys.
These boxes?
Yes, these boxes.
Okay.
Say it
Can I
again.
hold it for you?
Huh?
I'm not gonna break it.
Y'all,
I'm not gonna.
Walmart is really packed. So you guys, I ended up getting Wendy's for dinner, and put your stuff away.
Can I go get my juice?
Yeah, you can go get your juice and get your straw. Kalia had something in the car, so she's not that hungry, but put all of your stuff in here. Stop making a mess.
Okay.
Okay, well then play then. Pookie's here. He's watching. What is this movie called, Jericho?
It's called.
Journey to something, right?
Yeah, Journey.
Oh, Journey to. Oh, but with The Rock. With The Rock. They're watching the movie with Papa. He's eating a chocolate frosty. And I'm about to go to the room. I'm gonna watch, why do I look blurry? I'm gonna watch Insecure. I'm almost done with it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm gonna eat, and then I have to go downstairs because I have all of the stuff that I bought from Walmart. I just brought up the ice cream so I wouldn't melt. But yeah, let me go ahead and eat, and then I have to work. I have to work too, so let's eat. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing the cleaning video. I haven't done one of those in a while. I feel like I haven't really been motivated to, you know, just get the camera, prop it up, and do different angles and just vlog myself cleaning. I feel like whenever I do clean my house, I'm just like, just want to get it over with. But it was really fun and therapeutic to, you know, get into my cleaning mode / creative mode where, like I said, you got to do the angles and all of that stuff, and it was kind of fun today. So let me know what you guys would like to see next. My apartment isn't that big, but let me know like what room you guys would like to see next, or what else you would like to see as far as like cleaning and organizing and stuff like that. So it is 8:55 p.m. The kids are knocked out already. I'm going to get ready in a little bit after I post this video and like get on the live chat and talk to y'all. But after that, I'm going to shower, probably have like a long bath, and then come outside and get all of the giveaway prizes and put them in their boxes and wrap them up and all of that stuff. I'm excited for that. I can't wait to send them out. But stay tuned for that, giveaway winners. And what else? I think that's it, y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video because it definitely helps out my channel. And you guys will see me later. Peace out. Stay safe, by the way. Stay safe and just try your best to to be happy and try your best to be around people who don't make you question yourself and who make you happy and not confused and worried or stressed out and all of that negative shit. Peace out.